Now that the volumizer is properly anchored and centered with the front two anchor connection points, now I'm going to go back to the back of the volumizer, find the very opening. It's neatly positioned away. This is very important to keep the hair away from the client's face while she's going through the installation. It also exposes very neatly the underneath area that you will be working on when you're completing the internal installation of the volumizer. Okay, now the next step, as we're going to be working down the center, you can see the previous anchor spots here in the very front underneath. I'm going to roll this back to an appropriate distance, about an inch or so. Now the next section in the interiors will be 2 rows leading back to the curvature of the head. We're going to stop before we get to the perimeter area. I'm going to demonstrate the interior here, where again we have a loaded connection VL with connection points. I'm placing the open hook or the latch into the fixing point. I'm going to go pinch some hair, close the latch, drop the connection point, and slide the hair. The next step again, enter the connection point, pinch some hair directly below the previous section, and slide that hair through. Occasionally, you'll need a fine-tooth comb to neaten up the hair so that you have a smooth locking. My transformer, I find my connection point and slide it up to the edge of the base, press, and then I will continue going left and right, straight down, making sure I roll about an inch each time so we have a nice clean row going to the next step. Okay, and with the basic system, one of the most important steps is to remember to integrate. When a client wears this, if they don't have a lot of hair, we're going to make sure we need to cover the mesh base is the most important thing. This tool we're using to reach in through the volumizer, and we're going to be exposing the client's hair, her very own hair, to pull through so that we have filler, basically.